Can an LLC carry forward losses? Yes, an LLC can carry forward losses, but it depends on the tax structure of the LLC and how it is treated for federal income tax purposes. Here's how it works. 1. LLC Tax Classification. An LLC can be taxed as a sole proprietorship, single-member LLC. The losses are reported on the owner's personal tax return, Schedule C. A partnership, multi-member LLC. The losses are passed through to the members, who report them on their personal tax returns. An S corporation or C corporation, the LLC, follows the tax rules for corporations, which include specific rules on loss carryforwards. Second loss, carryforward rules, pass-through entities, default LLC tax treatment. Losses flow through to the members' personal tax returns. Members can deduct losses subject to the basis limitation, at-risk rules, and passive activity loss rules. If the losses exceed the member's income or basis, the excess loss can often be carried forward to future tax years until it can be used. C corporations. If the LLC elects to be taxed as a C corporation, it can carry forward net operating losses, NOLs. Under the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, TCJA, NOLs can be carried forward indefinitely, but are limited to offsetting 80% of taxable income in a given year. S corporations. Losses pass through to the members, similar to partnerships, and any unused losses can be carried forward by the members, subject to individual tax rules. Third, limitations on loss carryforwards. Basis limitation, loss deductions are limited to the member's basis in the LLC. At-risk rules, losses are limited to the amount a member has at risk in the LLC. Passive activity loss rules, losses from passive activities, like rental properties, can only offset passive income, with any excess carried forward. Fourth, how loss carryforward works. Losses not used in the current tax year due to limitations can generally be carried forward to offset future income until they are fully utilized, or the carryforward period, if applicable, expires. 5. Documentation and filing. Keep accurate records of losses, carryforwards, and the limitations applied in prior years. Include Form 8582, passive activity loss limitations, or other applicable forms when filing. 6. Seek professional guidance. Tax treatment of LLC losses can be complex. Consult a tax professional or accountant to ensure compliance with IRS regulations and to optimize your deductions. By leveraging loss carryforward rules, LLC members or the entity itself can manage taxable income more effectively over time.